All right, GAC Spartans, hopefully you're there right now. I hope you're having a great day today. We are going to get started live on this YouTube channel. Again, I hope you're having a good day. Before I begin, I just want to make sure we talk about a couple things. This is different than what we've had in the past. Normally, what has happened is you've gone on a blackboard or done something of that nature. But what's awesome with this is at any time, you can access this video and even pause me or even rewind me at any point and go into it and do what you feel is appropriate in that way. So what we're going to do, we're going to have something that we're going to get started on. We're going to go straight into the review, but to kind of make sure that I answer all the questions that I possibly can, I'm going to have you do the following. I want you to, right now, text me any questions you have over any of the sections. It could be off the review. It could be maybe a problem on the homework you struggled on, or maybe it's just the fact that maybe Coach Jay just wants to go over some stuff with you that's on the test and maybe give you some hints and that sort of thing. So wherever you're at, whether you're struggling or whether you're just using this as a review, I want this to be beneficial to you however I can. So here's what I'm going to do at 770-757-2240. I'll say it again, 770-757-2240. I want you to text in any questions you have off the review. Simply take a picture. Once you take that picture, then post that and send it to me at my cell phone number, and we'll rock and roll and go from there. Okay? All right. Sounds good. Right now I have 0 viewers. I'm all by myself. A little frustrated. No, but I'm sure everyone will be coming soon. While this happens, while I'm waiting, feel free. Please text me any questions you have. Again, 770-757-2240. Text in your question. I see one viewer down there. Again, 770-757-2240. Text in and rock and roll. While you're texting me in those questions, I'm going to remind everyone. I'm going to go on a Remind 101, and then we'll put that out again. Send me a picture of the question that you have to that cell phone number that I gave you, 770-757-2240, and then we'll rock and roll and go from there. So while I wait for text messages, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out a quick reminder, make sure everyone's set and ready to go. All right, let's do this thing. Peace out. Let's do well on this test, all right? All right, so I'm going to pull this up here. Let's go back here. We're going to get to that in just a second. Again, I'm going to get to those questions that are there. Just make sure you text me. That will be very helpful to me, be able to get those texts in. Also, make sure you know that the answer sheet is posted both on the website and online. If you need that, go ahead and access that. That will be huge for you. Let's see here. It's good stuff. Good stuff. All right, scroll down here, just in case we need that. And let me go to the Remind 101. Let's just remind everybody about this. Gotcha. Let's go to Algebra 3. We're good. Good stuff. Booyah. Now everybody knows and is reminded of what we're doing. All right. So since no one's here per se, I know I've got 2 viewers down there. Holla out. Don't know who you are. When you send your text message, you can also be sure to include your name. That'd be great. That'd be great if you did that as well. Some of you may be thinking that you're watching me live, but right now you're kind of a little bit behind, and that's okay too. But those that are here first, get the questions first. It's kind of how it is. So while you're doing that, I'm just going to quickly transfer over to, yeah, this is good stuff. Okay. I'm going to do this, pull that up for us. I'm also going to pull up this as well. I'm going to do this. Do this copy. Pull all this, copy and paste here. Let's do this. Let's this bad boy. All right. Good stuff. All right, let's pull this stuff down right there. Awesome. All right, we're going to just quickly go over some things that, again, we had kind of talked over prior to everything. But let's do this. Let's talk over, yeah, this stuff. This is good. All right, let's talk over a couple things here that I feel like are very important when we talk about the test tomorrow. There's a couple things that I want to make sure that I go over with you. And so while I go over these, again, these are things that we can just kind of go over together. Again, I have my phone right here. If you need something, please text me, then we'll go from there. But let's quickly, for sake of time here, go over some of the problems that I feel like we might struggle on when we got to the test. And just, again, we kind of went over these Friday, but just to make sure we review, let's talk over this, okay? All right. All right, first thing is this. When I am, oh, get going. Make sure here, make sure we're all good. I have to plug it in. Something's going on here. All right, let's try this. Maybe this way. Try this here. Sorry, y'all. Right now, I'm having some problems, some technical difficulties here. Let me try here. Come on now. All right, do this for me just for a second. I am going to just pause this just for a second. Let me see if I can do this here. Again, I apologize. I just got a text message in, which awesome, which I really appreciate. What I want to do is just make sure that everything's good with my the pad that I have here. And so hold on just for a second, okay? All right, I'm trying to get this here, y'all. Apologize. What happened was, is if you remember the board that I use in class, right now at least, it's not wanting to cooperate too much. Let's see if we can. All right, dagummit. Man, this is frustrating, guys. Sorry, y'all. I don't know what to do. What we'll do is we'll just do the best we possibly can. I'm going to do it with my finger here, and then we'll rock and roll. So let's go over a couple things. Let's talk about maximum and minimum. Okay, when we talk about maximum and minimum, you remember. Actually, do this, y'all. It's going to take forever. Do this. Pause for about a couple minutes. I'm going to try to restart my computer and see what I can do. So hold on just for a little bit, and I'll be right with you, okay? Again, I apologize. Technical difficulties. We will rock and roll in just 1 second. Apologize. I'll be right back, all right? All right. Be right back.